let's talk about what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today, right? So if we see this is the Nifty chart, and this is the first candle opened here, and we see that it is actually within the same trading range as yesterday. This opened up here, and we see the next candle is also within the same range. And then when we see the next candle, which is a strong red candle, it's kind of like Mariposa candle. So open is high, and then it is trying to move down. We suggested don't go for PE looking at this candle, because yesterday there seems to be strong support at this level. We asked kind of like suggested wait till this breaks this level, right? This is the low of the week. So luckily this didn't even go this side, and if you see this, it's a volume is also high to push it back. You see this is an upside volume, right? When we see this reversal happening and there is a strong another candle which take off this low and high, so then it's a clear indication there is a high probability that we see some upside from here, right? Up to what is something like we will talk later, right? And then this is the end of this candle. It's once there is a closure, we took an entry here in fact, and we see that couple of candles actually took further upside, but we expected this is the level, because yesterday we see there is a reversal from those levels and there is a big sellers here. So here kind of like targeted here, but kind of like from here itself the reversal happened, and here we exited, right? When we see this huge volume coming up for sellers. So and then it took a downside. No, we didn't take any trade here because we know that there is a high probability of pushing it back because of the VWAP, and also this is a support levels. We didn't take anything and we waited, and in fact from here we see that it's a kind of like a flat. But when we see again there is a push down within a good volume which is close to this high volume, we waited for a confirmation 1 2 3, and then when we see a strong candle, we took an PE here, and then for some time it is a flat, and then it's continued. But we know that this is the level, there is a high probability of reversal, so we waited here. In fact, actually with the stop loss, basically it's a trailing stop loss. So we waited for some time, and when we see that this took off quick easily, and then we waited in the same trade, and here it should have break this, then we should have exited, but luckily it went all the way. But here we exited. The reason is here there are a couple of things I want to highlight. One, see this is a low of the day, and VWAP, current weekly VWAP. There are multiple things here. One, weekly VWAP. The second thing is low of the day, and also there is a weekly pivot level here. When we see multiple things, it's kind of like be ready for a reversal. And you see later we see that there is a good volume coming up here to push the price back. We exited, and definitely 100% reversal possibility here, so we took a CE and relaxed with stop loss below this level. And which one we took here is because the price, if you see, this is a 24,500 CE and waited here. If you go back, this is the option price, and this is the Nifty price. You see, this is the one I am talking, because this is a VWAP and there is an S2 support. You see, both are sitting here in addition to weekly VWAP and also daily low. When multiple things are here, we know this is a candle, and you see the time sync here, this is at 145 and this is a 145 candle, right? And you see option also took a good buying coming here. There is a huge volume. We see the volume of this candle is a 2.54 million shares, right? And unlike any other, which is like so here there is a pushback, and here there is a reversal. Okay, did we take this immediately? No, this is a 5 minutes chart. We waited for the next candle to see in a green closure. Somewhere 130 is my stop loss, and we got an entry at 142 or something, 143, and from here it went all the way here. Why did we exit here? Because the last 50 minutes we don't want to keep it, and the trailing stop loss keep raising it, and then in fact in this candle it hit that one. So that's how this easy trade we took. And if we go back and see what trades were taken, initially we took a small trade here, and no trades after this, and there is one PE trade we took because of this clear this reversal here, and this level took off easily and then came all the way, and there is a strong support, so we exited and comfortably we had taken the CE trade here after the confirmation, right? So 3 trades, but luckily all 3 went very well. This is a very small trade, this is a good trade, and this is a easy trade, right? These are 3 trades we have taken today. Okay, so if you see what happened in the Bank Nifty, right? Quickly look at the Bank Nifty part. This is the Bank Nifty. If you ask me how this trading happened in the Bank Nifty, overall Bank Nifty movement is nothing. You see, it's in the flat. But we took one trade, easy trade, that is exactly when Nifty is reversing at this level. Nifty is reversing here at this time. We are seeing this level is being cleared and there is a double confirmation here, and we took in a 53,000 CE here, and comfortably there is a good upside from here, right? So this is only one trade we taken in the Nifty, but sorry, Bank Nifty, but on the Nifty we taken 3 trades. That one is the easiest trade, one is a good big trade, one is a small trade, right? Hope you guys are able to make some money out of this today's market. And one more important thing I want to talk in this is look at the levels, how these are supported, right? So if you see whatever fall it is, right, when the market opens, a reversal happened at this level, exact our level, and a fall, a reversal happened here, and it took off this and cleared this. This is a VWAP, of course. And the same way in the Bank Nifty also, if you see opens, a reversal from this level, not able to cross this level, came down and took a support of this green level, you know, right? So green is a weekly low and yellow is daily levels. So when both are together, this is going to play a strong support or a strong resistance, and this took a support here and the reversal. Hope this video helps you to decide on where to take the trade, and feel free to ping me in case if you are looking for an access, or if you had any questions how to use this effectively. Ping me on WhatsApp and I'll give you a trail access and also help you to understand this effectively to use it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.